it's good to be back at the flat again. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it is good to be back. The focages. Yeah, it's nice. Here it is. Yeah. Right, come on in. Let's go to the sofa after some time in here. Now on the sofa. Here now, you folk. Now here's something. Oh, they're back at the flat. That means. What Bowser? What's that noise? What's Mango here? Wait, Bowser, you're back. I'm out here. You're under arrest. Stop escaping jail. Stay there. Oh, I got caught again? Yeah, you did. I'm leaving. Oh, I think Bowser just got arrested. Yeah, he did. I heard it. Your fault. Same. Oh, Bowser's arrested again. Yeah. Let's hope you don't escape now. Yeah. We're on the sofa now for some time in the flat.